Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alives and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In this lecture we will solve exercise B. He says factorize this expression. It is a linear expression. You can take common r from here and you have u minus v. S from here you have u minus v. So from this you can again have a factor u minus v common and the remaining s is r plus s. This is your answer. Similarly, we have to factorize this one. You can take common from the whole equation, your whole expression. So you have 7x. So you can factorize it by x plus 3 and x plus 4. Actually, the coefficient of x here is 1. 1 multiplied by 12 is 12. So you can find its factor 3 and 4 such that if you add or subtract you will get 7 and if you multiply you will get 12. So immediately you can see that if we add this one we will get 7 and if we multiply we will get 12. So this is your answer. And in this question you have to also factorize it. So you can write it as x plus 3 square minus 3 square. So it can be written as this one. And now you have x into x plus 6 because we know that a square minus b square is nothing but a minus b and a plus b. And similarly we have to solve this equation. To find the solution of the equation mean we have to find the value of unknown. Here unknown is x. So whatever the method you want to apply you can apply to find the value of unknown. So I set here square root x as the capital X. So when you take small x it is equal to capital X square. Squaring both sides you will get x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So the coefficient of x here is 1 and the constant is minus 6. You have minus 6. You can factorize it minus 3 plus 2. When you multiply you will get minus 6 and when you add you will get minus 1. So here I can write x minus 3 and x plus 2. So dear student, here we have two possibilities, x equal 3 and x equal 2. Where x equal to the square root of x which is 3 and square root of x is 2. So x is 9 or x is 4. These are the two possibilities and this is your answer. Sorry, for small. For this both small x your equation will be satisfied. So if you have any problem you can contact on our WhatsApp number. See you again. Stay with us. Allah Hafiz.